Hello, my name is Baldomero Vargas, and this is my CS122A Embedded Systems final project for the University of California, Riverside. This is a more in-depth look at it, so let's begin. Right here we have two 18 mega 1284s, one right here and one under this box. What they're doing is this one is controlling a 4x4 grid of IR sensors that act as a point system. So right here we're hovering over 0.00, this is 0.22, that's point -1, -1. We go over to this 18 mega, and what's happening here is via UCR it's receiving which IR sensors are triggered, and then it is going to here, and there's a bunch of logic going on that then tells the motors to go to that position and versus where we are right now. And this 18 mega is controlling an LCD screen that will output the movement that's happening. So if you are at 0, and you go to -1, -1, it says X -1, Y -1. It also outputs the destination, which will be -1, -1. And then we also have two NEMA 17 stepper motors, and that work on a simple XY plane system right here, and we have two Adafruit motor drivers that allow us to run them at 9 volts, so a smoother and a faster transition. So let's get a little demonstration of it. Right now we're going to be moving to 0.22. You can see the LCD screens telling you the moves, and it will tell you your destination. X goes first, Y goes second. The initial plan was to get the X and the Y to work properly together, but there was a lack of tools, and I couldn't personally get it to work, but I understand the design, and hopefully in the near future I'll be able to get it to work, and then we just connect them, because software wise everything works, and that'll be really cool to demonstrate. Basically the platform will follow wherever you trigger the sensors, because back to that point, let's go to a different one, 1, so we're going backwards now. The IR sensors are actually queued, so you can hover with this stick around the board, and if it was working XY with a single platform, it would follow exactly where you're going, because the system is queued, the points are queued into this microcontroller, and this microcontroller tells it, do this movement, and when you're done with that point, do the next movement, and so on until there's nothing in the queue. And there's also some filtering being done, because we want to ignore, like if we're hovering over the point we already are, so we're at 1, 1, we're filtering this, we're going to go to a different point, which is 2, 1 I believe, no 1, 2, and this isn't being triggered. So I'm going to demonstrate really quick a bunch of points being queued in, and then we'll end at a certain location. So we'll end at 2, 2. So right now there's going to be a bunch of movements, and we'll end at 0.22. And right now the software handles it. It just would be nice to display basically having the platform follow exactly where you're going. That's just a mechanical design at this point. Just got to use the wood and build it properly. Nothing software-wise. With software, everything's being handled. And some neat things about this project is that, well, I already mentioned the queue system, so I can just move around and the motors will go where they need to go based on the queue. And in the near future, when the platform's built, they'll be able to actually visualize the platform following you. And that's a little more in detail about the project. The LCD screen is just mainly for display. The two stepper motors act as they act, and we have the 9 volt to make it go faster. And this mega just serves as pretty much just sending data, and then this one just receives it. So we'll just do one more quick demonstration. We'll end at our start point. So right now all the moves are being queued. The way it works is it always goes X and then Y. That was just something that needed to be done because of the microcontroller not being able to handle it as smoothly as I would have liked to demonstrate it. So we should be ending at 0, 0, if that was the correct point I triggered. Okay, so we're at 0, 0, and that is a more in-depth look at my project. There will be pictures of the initial design in the link in the description for the GitHub link, and just a couple more information and some diagrams to explain how the project works. So thank you very much for watching.